The new generation will be your creation. University at School, the new generation teacher education model, will take you to your dreams. This is Turkey's first applied teacher education faculty, Bahçeşehir University Faculty of Educational Sciences. Here, you will be where you will learn to teach best. You will prepare for teaching by constantly interacting with an experienced specialist teacher. In addition to the theoretical lessons you will receive from academics, you will also take your education to the classroom, where you will practice your profession. English language teaching, preschool teaching, or guidance and counseling. Choose the path of your dreams and start making your mark on future generations today. With Bahçeşehir University's Faculty of Educational Sciences, which cooperates with the world's leading teacher training institutions, you can remove your borders and have the opportunity to do your summer internship in the United States, Germany, or Canada. Take your place in the business world before you graduate with the branded courses of the co-op education model. Bahçeşehir University Faculty of Educational Sciences, a world university in the heart of Istanbul.